Hilke Plassmann, INSEAD Chaired Professor of Decision Neuroscience and Associate Professor of Marketing, is here with us to discuss her latest research. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Your recent paper found that men who had taken only one dose of testosterone responded differently to luxury brands. Can you explain?
You can actually buy, not in France, but in other countries, you can buy testosterone gel patches. So there's a market for that. And we gave them one of these doses. So if you would be a person that for whatever reason would take testosterone, that would be the same doses. So it's something that is within the range of a normal fluctuation within a day of testosterone levels. We know from the animal literature that the sex hormone testosterone is linked to kind of alpha male, for example, behavior in monkeys, right? So the higher the status of the monkey in the social hierarchy, the more testosterone, and when you causally manipulate testosterone, also this changes kind of rank-related behavior. What we don't know is, does testosterone actually have the same effect in humans? So what we have done here is, so that we were, in the first task, we were looking at, okay, so there are certain products that help you to increase or maintain your place in the social hierarchy, right? And these would be luxury brands, for example, right? So, and so we ask you, okay, now imagine, you have to buy a new fashion item. This is our different brands. Which of these two brands would you actually prefer? And so the brands were either high in kind of perceived social rank association or in quality. And we were trying to see, so controlling for quality, whether if I would ask you which one would you pick between these two brands, we could shift up your preference for those high status brands in the testosterone group, and that's what we found.
So we found really that the human beings weren't all that different from the apes that had been studied before.
Yes, but no. In some ways, human primates are more sophisticated, that we have different ways to increase our social rank, right? So we can either increase this by increasing our power, so our control that we have over valued resources, or by increasing the respect that we have in the eyes of others, which is the status that we have. And that's what we investigated in the second task. So in other words, what we did there is, for a variety of products, from luxury cars to coffee machines, we positioned or advertised the products to be either high in power, high in status, or high in quality. And we looked at how does the testosterone administration actually change your liking of the advertised products. And what we found is, what's quite interesting, that only the products that were advertised to be high in status were affected by the testosterone administration. So when you were under the influence of testosterone, you liked those products advertised to be status enhancing more, and there was no effect on the power enhancing or quality enhancing advertisement of the products.
So what are the implications for marketing more generally that come out of the study?
Yeah, so an important piece that I haven't explained so far is that, so testosterone is something that fluctuates. It fluctuates within a day, but it also fluctuates as a response to certain manipulable events, right? So for example, when a man sees an attractive woman, testosterone levels goes up. Testosterone levels go down when a man just became a father. When you won a marathon, testosterone levels go up. Even when your favorite soccer team just won an important match, your testosterone levels will go up. So if you have a product that you want to advertise more to be perceived as a luxury product, your response rates to this ad might go up under circumstances where you have high testosterone levels.
Great. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure.